My name is Chani. I'm from Bangalore. When I met Ajay sir, it was a totally different experience. Whatever I've gone through with him, it's a tremendous change that has happened in my life. He's one-stop solution for all of my questions about meditation or be it yoga or anything. If he's a one-stop solution, he has answers for every questions that I ask him. And I was questioning myself when I had my lower back injury. But when I went to him about it, he gave me solutions and suggested exercises, and he follows up on that as well. So that's what I really liked. And yesterday's meditation, for the very first time, I felt it was really, I was able to meditate. So I was able to do that. I really liked his classes. Thank you.
Yeah, I reside in Goa. I'm actually very grateful to Ajay sir for coming here and giving us his time and his energy. I've dealt with breathing issues, all my life, that's 30 years. This is the first time I've been explained that I can fix it, and I will continue to practice it to hopefully get better, because breathing is something so inherent that comes naturally to most, but it does not come that naturally to me. All the knowledge he shared with us, it's only ignited more passion for the spiritual path. And yeah, only gratitude and more gratitude and lots of gratitude towards Ajay sir. And I hope through life, I can meet him sometime again, our paths cross again. That's so wishful thinking, but yeah, I put that out in the universe. Thank you.
My name is Monica. I'm from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. Ajay sir has tremendous knowledge about everything. You can ask any question from anywhere, from yoga, from spiritual aspect, from Veda, and from anything you can think. और मतलब इनसे बात करके सब चीज़ें समझकर फिर ये लगा कि योगा का एक स्पिरिचुअल एस्पेक्ट भी बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, जो कि हमें सोल से कनेक्ट करके सीधा भगवान से, गॉड से कनेक्ट करता है. तो बहुत अच्छा लगा उनकी क्लास अटेंड करके, और पता नहीं अब नेक्स्ट कब हो पाएगी या नहीं हो पाएगी, लेकिन अभी मैं यहाँ पे आई और आई एम ब्लेस्ड कि इतनी सारी नॉलेज मुझे मिली. यहाँ पर आकर सब चीज़ें सुनी और समझी, और उसको और भी ज़्यादा एनहेंस करने की कोशिश करूँगी मैं अब आगे अपने फ्यूचर में. थैंक यू.
Bangalore. So we had the opportunity to be in his class for 3-4 days. So the information what he shared was a lot for me to take in, though I could sink into maybe in the top layer, but my favorite part was the meditation, which really helped me understand it better. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Hina. I'm from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, living in Bangalore. So Ajay sir is extremely knowledgeable. He knows about, he gave us information about Sanatan Dharma, which in today's system we are not educated upon. So it was a nice experience. Thank you, sir.
My name is Achal Agarwal. I'm from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, and I'm doing yoga YTT training from Bodhi Goa, and here I got the chance to meet Ajay Rathi sir. And it was really a blessing to meet him, because he has tremendous in-depth knowledge about the yoga, and about how the yoga connects us with our consciousness, and through yoga and spirituality how we can evolve ourselves. So I think I came to understand after meeting him that yoga is not only about physical fitness, but it's more about your spiritual awareness and about your consciousness, about your mindfulness, and how you can evolve yourself to the greater height, to just take yourself more closer to the God. So I will try to apply his teachings in my life. Thank you.
Hello, this is Lalita. So Ajay sir took classes for us. So he has abundance of knowledge, which is not possible for us to grab the entire thing what he knew it. in this short amount of time. So it was insightful.
Nakshi from Chennai. So the 4-5 days it was a blessing for us. So thank you Ajay sir. And it was like the knowledge was like directly into our side. Like we don't want to refer anything because it's already in our subconscious form. I feel that. Okay. Thank you so much sir. But it was a very great blessing for us. Really. Thank you.
Katrina, I'm from Russia. I was enjoying this classes, and thank you so much, sir, for your classes, for lectures. But sometimes I was sad because when you start to speak Hindi, I was trying to understand everything, but sometimes I was little bit away, you know. And thank you so much for yesterday classes because maybe it was first time when I feel it what it means pranayama. Really, actually. Thank you.
Myself Arbhi Mohan. I am from Kerala. Ajay sir is very. He told what is Sanatana Dharma. Actually, I had a different perspective before, but he made it more clear what is Sanatana Dharma. And though I have little confusion still going on because I have read a lot of book about souls and body leaving the body and like that. So he made it clear for me what is soul, how it is related to our body and the universe, microcosm, macrocosm. Though I have studied it all, he made it more clear. Thank you, sir.
నేను తెలంగాణ నుండి వచ్చాను. సార్ అజయ్ సార్ ఏదైతే చెప్పారో ఇన్ని రోజులు అంటే మానవుడి సహజీవనంలో ఏదైతే మనం మర్చిపోయి బ్రతుకుతున్నామో దాని గురించి మళ్ళీ గుర్తు చేసి ఎలాంటి సిచ్యువేషన్లో ఇప్పుడు మనం ఉన్నాం, ఎలా ఉండాలి అనేది చాలా అర్థమయ్యేటట్టుగా చెప్పారు. అండ్ సార్ వల్ల చాలా విషయాలు నేర్చుకున్నాం. సార్ ఏదైతే తను చెప్తారో ఒక దేవుడు వచ్చి దిగి మనకు అంటే మీరు బ్రతికేది మీరు ఇలా బ్రతకాలి, ఇలా ఉంటున్నారు ప్రజెంట్, సో మీరు చేసే లైఫ్ స్టైల్ అనేది ఇలా కాదు ఇలా ఉండాలని మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ గుర్తు చేసి చెప్పడం జరిగింది. అది చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. ప్లస్ చాలా విషయాలు తెలుసుకోవడం జరిగింది. మళ్ళీ సార్ వల్ల ఒక విషయం తెలిసింది ఏంటి అని అంటే ఎవరికైనా కోపం వస్తే ఇలా చూడాలని తెలీదు. ఇటు నుండి ఇలా చూస్తే ఎవరికైనా కోపం వస్తుంది, కోపం వచ్చిన వాళ్ళని అలా చూస్తారని సార్ చెప్పిన తర్వాత తెలిసింది. దాన్ని నేను మా ఫ్రెండ్స్తో అందరితో నేను కామెడీగా చేయడం జరిగింది. అజయ్ సార్కి మేము ఎప్పుడు మా జీవితం మొత్తం మేము రుణపడి ఉంటాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అజయ్ సార్.